Well, the biggest cause of any such tragedy is never the damaged infrastructure, it's never the shattered glass panes, or in fact, even the charred vehicles. It's always human. And right now, as we speak, about 9 lives have been lost. More than 20 people are being treated for their injuries at the LNJP hospital. We're currently present at the Maulana Azad Medical College mortuary, where bodies are being identified one after the other. We're seeing a sea of relatives that are coming in one after the other, trying to understand whether those who were impacted by this tragedy are their own or not. It's important to understand that as we speak, about 6 bodies have been identified. The last 2 bodies were identified in the span of the past 4 hours right here at this mortuary. It's devastating, of course, to see such visuals. Whenever such a tragedy occurs, one realizes the fragility of life. One sees what people of those who are left behind are made to go through. It's also important to understand that repeatedly the entire process is being carried out. The medical formalities are taking place before the bodies are handed back to the families for, of course, their last rites. Even a while back, we actually saw 2 bodies. We saw 2 relatives of 2 different victims who'd come to claim bodies of their loved ones. There was Numan, whose body was claimed about an hour back, and before that, there was Pankaj. Now, interestingly, what's devastating about this entire incident is not just the loss of their lives. Pankaj's death was actually identified by one of his relatives from TV. In fact, he realized that one of the cars being displayed by a media outlet was one of his brothers, and that's how he understood that his brother could have been one of those who are impacted by the tragedy. And as luck were to have it, unfortunately, his car was the one which was adjacent to the I-20, which caused the explosion. So devastating visuals. We saw their families completely shattered, waiting for an answer. We're waiting to understand whether those who are inside are their loved ones or not. At this point, these are not just individuals, these are not just mere names or victims that have, of course, lost their lives. These are, of course, somebody's brother, somebody's friend. These are all relations, whole lives that have been lost. It's also important to understand that 8 bodies were brought here at the mortuary. This is the Maulana Azad Medical College mortuary, like I just mentioned. Some of the victims are being treated at the LNJP hospital. One of the victims was also identified at the LNJP hospital. He was a person who passed away, and his body was in fact sent back home. 4 bodies were sent back home last night. The process of sending more bodies back home is being done at the moment. The last rites of some of the victims are also taking place as we speak. This is Jeet Kaur Sahani reporting for NDTV.